Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Accessing Microsoft Planner is very simple, and you can do it in various ways depending on the device and the platform you are using. One option is accessing the Microsoft Planner via the web or browser. If you're using Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and a lot more, go to the official Planner website. That is planner.microsoft.com. And from here, obviously, if you have the account, you might want to click the sign in option. All right, click that. Now you can sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, the one linked to your work or school. All right. If you haven't already, you might want to click the create an account option here. And obviously, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. All right. And then once you are successfully logged in, you will be able to see all your existing plans, or if you want to create a new plan, you're going to be able to do that easily. If you go to the left side panel of your dashboard, that is going to be the Planner hub. And from here, you can create a new plan that you wanted. All right. But for now, we're going to go to another option is if, for example, accessing the Microsoft Planner via the Microsoft Teams. Now, in this, if we're already, just click the create a new team or join a team with a code, and you would be able to access the Microsoft Planner from here if you go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the apps. You can type in the apps here in the search button or press the Control plus F to find. Type in Planner, and that would bring you to the Planner itself here. Click on the open. You have two more options here. You can use on your own or use with others. That's another way for you to be able to open the Microsoft Teams. Click the use on your own, and that will lead you to the, and this is going to be the plan wherein you can add another task here inside the Microsoft Planner. And the last option for you to be able to access Microsoft Planner is using the Microsoft 365. Now here I am in my account, and in the upper right corner you see, or upper left corner, you see these are going to be the apps that you can choose from. All right, click on this section right here and click the more apps, and from here you should be able to access the Microsoft Planner with no problem. All right. And if you are having problems accessing the Microsoft Planner in your account, you might want to reach out to the Microsoft customer support, tell them you're having problems, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.